Good morning students. Welcome back to our YouTube channel, that is of Eng.Med Modern School. Today I am back again with part 5th, our 5th video of standard 8 subject maths and lesson number 1 rational number. So we were going through rational numbers. In the first 4 videos we already learnt about what is rational number, how to plot rational number on a number line. Then we saw how to arrange the rational number in ascending order, in descending order. We also learnt about which is the smaller rational number, the greater rational number. Then slowly we moved upon solving the sums of rational number, that is addition of rational number, properties of addition of rational number. In today's video we will see properties of subtraction of rational number. Then in the earlier part we also saw how to subtract a rational number with the same denominators and to subtract a rational number with different denominators. Today we will see the properties of rational subtraction of rational number, some tricky sums of subtraction, and then we will move up to multiplication. So let's have a look on properties. The topic is properties of rational number. Properties of subtraction of rational number. Subtraction of rational number. The first property, closure property. In addition also the first property was the closure property. In subtraction also the first property is closure property. Now what is closure property? If two numbers a upon b and minus c upon d, if we subtract two numbers a upon b and c upon d, the result is always a rational number. That means if there are two numbers, two rational numbers, a upon b and c upon d, the result is always a rational number. We will get a rational number as our answer. See, I will show you one example. Suppose 5 upon 8 minus 2 upon 8. 5 upon 8 is a rational number, students. 2 upon 8 is also a rational number. So if we subtract both these terms, we get the answer 3 upon 8. So 3 upon 8 is a rational number. So this property is proved by the example. Then comes the second property, which is commutative property. If a upon b and c upon d are rational numbers. See again, two rational numbers, a upon b and c upon d. Both are rational numbers. Then a upon b minus c upon d not equal to c upon d minus a upon b. So once again students, a and b and c and d are two rational numbers. Then a upon b minus c upon d not equal to c upon d minus a upon b. That means in case of addition this property was possible. Means if you add 3 plus 5 or you add 5 plus 3, you will get the same answer. But in this case, if you add a upon b if you subtract A upon B minus C upon D, and if you vice versa that digits, that means if you put this digit here first, then you subtract, you will not get the same answer. Let's see one example of this. Again, 5 upon 8 minus 2 upon 8. What will be the answer? You will get the answer as 3 upon 8. And this side, if you vice versa the digit, that is 2 upon 8 minus 5 upon 8. Do you get the same answer? No. You will get the answer 2 minus 5. 2 minus 5 is 3 upon 8, but 3 is negative. Minus 3. Why? Because here 5 carries minus sign. 5 is greater. So 3 is negative. So you do not get the same answer. Here you got the answer 3 upon 8, and on the RHS side you got the answer minus 3 upon 8. So commutative property is not possible in case of subtraction. You can note down these things in your notebook, students. Then we will see the third property, associative property. Now the third property, associative property. In associative property, three numbers are there: A upon B, C upon D, E upon F are three rational numbers. Then A upon B minus C upon D minus E upon F not equal to A upon B minus C upon D minus E upon F. If you change the order or the grouping of the rational numbers in subtraction, then associative property is not possible or applicable here. How? This is applicable in addition. If you change the order of numbers in addition, you will get the same number on both the side, that is LH side and RHS side. But in case of subtraction, you don't get the same answer. See, I will show you with the help of an example. 7 upon 8 minus 4 upon 8 minus 1 upon 8. So, what will be the answer of this side? First, let's solve LHS side. So, first we will solve the bracket. 7 minus 4 is 3 upon 8 minus 1 upon 8. Your answer is 2 upon 8. Let's see here this side if we get the same answer or not. We have changed the brackets, the order. 7 upon 8, okay, minus 4 upon 8 and here 1 upon 8, like this way. So first here also we will solve the bracket. 7 upon 8, the bracket is 3. 4 minus 1 is 3 upon 8. Therefore 7 minus 3 is 4. 4 upon 8. What you got the answer? 4 upon 8. Here you got 2 upon 8. Here you got 4 upon 8. So both these answers are not same. So associative property is not applicable in terms of subtraction. Note down this associative property and the example in your notebook. Now I will show you some examples of subtraction. Number 1, subtraction. The sums of subtraction, students. The question is, find 3 upon 11 minus 7 upon 8. Your question is, find 3 upon 11 minus 7 upon 8. As you can see, in between there is a sign of subtraction. So the denominators are same or different? There are different denominators. Here it is 11, here it is 8. So first answer, the first step is finding out the LCM of 11 and 8, and that is 88. If you don't know to find the LCM, you can find out the LCM here in your rough work, 88. Now what to do? Now multiply 88 with both these terms. In between minus. If it is the sum of addition, in between you will put addition. Here minus is there, so you will put minus. Then again here 88. 11 8s are 8, 11s are. What is 3 8s are? 3 8s are 24 upon 88. Your LCM will be the denominator. 7 11s are 77 upon 88. Now minus both the terms, 24 minus 77 upon 88. You will get one answer, and that answer will be in the negative sign. Why? Because 77 carries a negative sign. So your answer will be 53 minus 53 upon 88. What will be your answer? Minus 53 upon 88. This was an example of subtraction. Now we will see another sum of subtraction. Four upon 9 minus 2 upon 8. The sum is 4 upon 9 minus 2 upon 8. So let's start the sum. First of all, we will solve the bracket. Minus minus will become plus. I repeat once again, minus minus will become plus. Minus minus plus. Now we have to add this number. The LCM will be, because the denominators are different, so you have to take out the LCM. LCM of 9 and 8 is 72. 9 8s are 72. Then multiply the LCM with both the terms, and in between the sign will be of plus. Here it was minus, so we put here minus. Here it is plus, so we will put here plus. Then 2 upon 8 into 72. Now 9 8s are 8, 9s are. Multiply 4 8s are 32 upon 72, and again 2 9s are 18 upon 72. Then add both these terms. What you will get the answer? 32 plus 18 upon 72. 50 upon 72. 32 plus 18 is 50 and upon 72. And if you want to cut or you want to reduce the term, you can by 2 25s are and 2 36s are. So your answer will be 25 upon 36. Both are the squares. How? Again I will tell you, minus minus plus, the first step of the sum. Then denominator is different, so take out the LCM. LCM of 9 and 8 is 72. Then multiply the LCM with both the numbers. 4 upon 9 into 72 between plus sign. 2 upon 8 into 72. Then you can do the cutting. 9 8s are 72, 8 9s are 72. Then multiply. 4 8s are 32, 2 9s are 18. Okay students? Upon 72 and 72. Why 72? Because we wanted to make the denominator place as the same. So we put here 72 and 72. Then add both these numbers, that means 50 and down 72. You can reduce the term by cutting it by 2. 2 25s are 50 and 2 36 are 72. You got the answer as 25 upon 36. Now I will teach you multiplication of rational number. Note down the sums. First of all, we will see simple multiplication. I am writing down the question first. And one sum here. 6 number. Now we will see multiplication of rational number. Starting with the simple multiplication, that is 3 7s are 21. All of you know that 3 7s are 21. Then 3 8s are 24. But here it is negative sign. So in multiplication, minus plus minus. So you will carry a minus sign in your answer. Minus 24. Then comes this. One more sum. 1 1s are 1. 3 4s are 12. Simple sums. Then here minus 3 upon 8 into 4. So there is nothing in the denominator place. So you will put 1 in the denominator place. Here you will put 1. Now you can see that this is 4. Here it is 8. You can directly cut 4 2s are. Now what is left here? Minus 3. So minus 3 upon 2 1s are 2. This is your answer. Then minus 7 upon 8 into 3 upon 4. Minus 7 upon 8 into 3 upon 4. So you can see you cannot cut any of the numbers because 8 and 4 are the denominator. So this way cutting is not possible. Students, I repeat that this way cutting is not possible. Either you can cut numerator and denominator or you can cross multiply. But you cannot cut both the denominators or both the numerators. So we have to multiply. 7 3s are 21 upon 8 4s are 32. Now why it carries a negative sign? Because here it is minus. So here also minus will be there. Another sum, 6th number, minus 4 upon 9 into minus 3 upon 4. Once again I repeat, minus 4 upon 9 into minus 3 upon 4. So you can see, you can cut 4 and 4 easily. Okay. Then 3 3s are 9. So cut 3 and here you will write 3 because 3 3s are 9. What is left here up? Nothing. So you will write down 1 and down it is left 3 and minus minus plus, minus minus plus. So this will be positive 1 upon 3 will be your answer. 5 4s are 20. 5 4s are 20 but minus minus plus. So 20 will be a positive number. These are the simple multiplication. We will see some tricky multiplication later on, but meanwhile I will make you revise the sign. Multiply signs. If you have minus and minus, your answer will be positive. If you have minus and plus, your answer will be minus. If you have plus and minus, your answer will be again in negative sign, and plus and plus, then plus. This all of you know. Here it is not like greater number or smaller number, but the sign matters. I repeat once again, minus minus, the sign will be positive in case of multiplication. Minus and plus, the sign will be negative. Plus and minus, the sign will be negative. Plus and plus, the sign will be positive. So you can note down the rules or the signs of multiplication and note down the sums also. Now students, I wanted to inform you an important thing that till today we were doing all these sums in our rough book. There is no fixed date when the school will reopen. So I wanted that the students prepare their fair book and example book at their home itself. So when you come back to the school, you don't get the burden of making or preparing the fair book again. So one important thing that I wanted to tell you, please prepare 2 books for maths. That is, one is of example book and one is of exercise book. As you are aware of my system, you have studied in 7th standard with me. So you have to prepare 2 books, that is of example book and exercise book. You will write all the examples in your example book and all the exercise sums in your exercise or your fair book, any name. So I am giving you homework that you have to do in example book. So please note down your homework. I am writing here your homework. So please note down. And this homework you will do in your example book. I repeat, you will make a separate example book for maths as you have been preparing in 7th standard. And your homework is of lesson 1 only, which I have taught. Up till that I will give you homework. Homework lesson number 1, rational numbers. And I am writing down the sum number that you have to do. And all the sums I have taught you. I am writing the numbers of the examples. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. And number 24. 25 and 26 I haven't taught you. So up till 24. So students, today you will make a separate example book, and in that example book you will put the heading lesson number 1 rational number, and you will start doing the examples from 1 to 24. In between some examples are cut on, so don't do that example. Please note down this, and you have to submit your work today in the WhatsApp group. Please do not copy these examples. Write down as a part of your test. Don't copy directly from the textbook. You don't need to write the question also. You can directly write the answer. But you see the question, you put cover on your answer, and then solve the sum by yourself. So students, today we learned about the properties of subtraction of rational number. We saw that there are 3 properties, that is associative property, closure property, and commutative property. Then we solved 2-3 sums of subtraction of rational number with different denominators and opening the brackets. We also learned the sums of simple multiplication, and this is your today's homework. So students, I will come back again with another video, that is part 6. And till then, stay safe, stay home students, and complete your work. Thank you students.